began our second day in Sydney by doing the Coogee to Bondi beach walk.
Where are we today?
Coogee Beach. People are swimming. And it's very cold.
Off on our walk.
Yeah.
Are you enjoying the walk so far?
It's alright, it's not as cold as it was before, which is nice.
We headed to Sydney Opera House's bar for dinner, and that concludes our second day in Sydney. On day 3, we caught a ferry to Cockatoo Island, where we bought an audio-guided tour. Between 1839 and 1869, Cockatoo Island operated as a convict penal establishment, primarily as a place of secondary punishment for convicts who had reoffended in the colonies. Cockatoo Island was also the site of one of Australia's biggest shipyards, operating between 1857 and 1991. In 2010, Cockatoo Island became a UNESCO World Heritage Site. We enjoyed our time at Cockatoo Island and the audio-guided tour. It was relatively cheap at only $5 per person. I would recommend this if the weather isn't so nice some of the days to go out, especially if you're going. This concludes our time in Sydney. We had the best time and we hope to go back.